In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image in Mailchimp. If you've ever dropped an image into your email and thought it looked a bit too big or too small, this quick walkthrough will show you the simplest way to adjust it right inside the editor. We're focusing on the built-in drag points, so you won't need any extra tools or settings to get a clean, polished look. First, make sure you're in the email editor for the email you're working on. This is the main workspace where you see your layout and content. Once you're there, find the image block you want to resize. An image block is the section in your layout that contains a single image, like a logo, header banner, or product photo. Click directly on that image block to select it. As soon as the image block is selected, you'll see small drag points appear around the edges, typically on the corners and sometimes the sides. These are your resizing handles. They let you change the visual size of the image inside the block without leaving the editor. Hover your cursor over one of the corner points until the cursor indicates you can drag. Click, hold, and gently drag. Pull inward to make the image smaller, or outward to make it larger. You'll see the image resize in real time, which makes it easy to match the look you want with the rest of your email. For the cleanest results, use a corner handle so the image keeps its proportions and doesn't look stretched or squashed. Aim for a size that feels balanced with your text and buttons, and keep readability in mind. Your image should support your message, not overpower it. A quick tip while you drag: avoid enlarging an image far beyond its original size, as that can make it look blurry or pixelated. Starting with a reasonably high-quality image helps ensure it remains crisp when you scale it down or up slightly. As you resize, watch how the image aligns with your content margins so everything feels neat and intentional. Once you've reached a size that looks right, simply release the mouse. You'll see the updated size reflected in the editor immediately, and you can continue refining your layout as needed. And that's all it takes. Open your email editor, select the image block, and use the drag points to resize by clicking, holding, and dragging. With just those steps, you can quickly fine-tune the look of your email and keep your visuals clean, consistent, and on brand.